Good day everyone. So for today's video I'm going to show you on how to make a Google form. So first, go to your Google account and look for the Google Form app. Makikita natin dito yung sample Google Form na na-publish ko na. And then kapag gagawa ka ng new Google Form, just click the blank. And then, yan. In this portion, yan yung title na. And the title that I am going to make is Enrollment Data Survey kind of Google Form. If you want to put a header, makikita natin dito yung pictures, and if you want to upload the logo, just browse in your file and look for the picture. Yan yung gagamitin kong header. Antayin lang natin na ma-upload yung image na in-attach natin. Then go for the first data na hihingin mo. So the first data that I'm going to gather is the name of the student. So lagyan natin siya ng guide, which is the last name, given name, and middle name. Then sa portion na to, dito ka pipili kung anong prepare mo, kung short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, or checkbox. So yung napili ko is the short answer, applicable kasi siya dito. So next is the year level of the student. So dito naman yung pipiliin ko is the checkbox. So I'm going to put the year level from grade 7 to 12. Then click the required para hindi sila makakapag-proceed sa next question kapag wala pang fill up yung sa taas. Another is the name of section. Same procedure lang. Kapag okay na, dito mo makikita yung responses or kung ilan yung mga nag-response. And then, pwede mo siya maset kung i-collect mo ba yung email address nila or hindi. And kung ilan yung responses lang na kinakailangan mo. Kung ilang beses lang sila makakapag-response. Double check nyo yung Google Form if may mga typo error bago nyo i-send or i-publish. Kung okay na, proceed na kayo sa pagpapublish nito. Hindi nyo siya makakopy kapag hindi nyo siya pinablish. Publish nyo muna para makopy nyo yung link. allow anyone para ma-access nila. And publish. And pwede nyo na ma-copy yung link and ma-forward sa prefer nyong senda nito para makagather kayo ng data. Sa responses naman, kung gusto nyo i-download, i-create nyo lang yung sheet. Yan. Excel form siya. Diyan na natin makikita yung nilagay natin ng mga question or yung mga hinihingi natin na data sa mga mag-aaral. And that's all. Thank you for watching.